So guys, as I show you that in the previous video of this one for this one, so how can you make the spin current images? So there is a pretty much a new thing which I found, that there is a effect thing. If you click on the E on the keyboard, you will find this effect. So if you click on this one, this is a simple default effect, but there is no. But if you click on this one, like it's getting shinier and some kind of reflection is getting. So if you click on this effects which are given here, so on the basis of your requirement you can find which effect you want for your uh, research paper, or for any presentation, for anything, which how what effect you want. So you can see this in your Paint 3D. It looks like pretty good, like so you can also make like from where the light is uh, impending on the image, like from where this, so here as you can see the sun, so from where it is making light on the given picture on the or the given object. So this is the second video which I made for enhancing the image quality. I hope this video will be helpful, so stay tuned for more such interesting video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.